In this lecture, we are taking up grade 10 mathematics, unit 2nd. Dears, this is the linkage between the previous lecture on the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Here, we will further proceed the detail of the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation by solving the rest of the questions of exercise 2.1. So let's start. Question number 3. For what value of k the roots of the following quadratic equations are equal? So the first part of this question is x square plus kx plus 9 is equal to 0. So on comparing this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to k and c is equal to 9. Now by recalling the statement that for equal roots the discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0. As we know that the discriminant of the quadratic equation is, now substituting the value of a, b and c in this discriminant, we have k square minus 4 times 1 and 9 is equal to 0, which gives k square minus 36 is equal to 0. On simplifying, we have k square is equal to 36. Now taking square root of both sides, we have k is equal to plus minus 6. Now coming to the second part of this question, which is 12x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, comparing this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. So on comparing, we found that a is equal to 12, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Since for equal roots the discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac will equal to 0. Now substituting the values of a, b and c in this discriminant, we have k square minus 4 times 12 and 3 is equal to 0. Further simplification gives k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Now transferring the constant from left hand side to the right hand side, we have k square is equal to 144. Finally, taking the square root, it gives k is equal to plus minus 12. The third part of this question 3 is x square minus 5x plus k is equal to 0. Again, comparing this with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to k. Now using the discriminant for equal roots, which is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now utilizing the values of a, b and c, In this, we have minus 5 square minus 4 times 1 and k is equal to 0. It gives 25 minus 4 times k is equal to 0. Simplifying this, we have 4 times k is equal to 25. Now dividing each side of this equation by 4 to find the value of k, we have k is equal to 25 upon 4, which is the value of k.